All right, so what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about SMCI today. The market has been falling fast on yesterday's trading price. As you guys can see, that SMCI ended the day down almost 10%. Does that mean that the market is a sell? Is a 25% drop just ahead around the corner? Let's talk about it. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe if you guys want more of my information. Make sure you guys keep it locked here because this is what we do. We do price predictions without the confusion. You can see even right now there is a price prediction on our chart for SMCI. We're looking for the market to go down. And currently the market, first of all, it went higher. I get it. But the price action from yesterday kind of lets me know, hey, you still might be right. Yeah, just from out the gate, the market went up first. That's all it means. And the crazy part is that it hit that area that we said will be our stop loss. Look at that. Ain't that crazy? That's where the market topped out at, right before we see this weakness come through. But that's cool. This area right here is still a point that we can see and say sellers are controlling the price because SMCI didn't break this pocket to the upside on strength. That didn't happen. So I think this price prediction that we have on our chart is still good. Now the question is 25% drop. That would take us all the way down to our TP stop loss or profit target. Right there around $29.50. So now let's look at SMCI on the 2. This 2-day price bar right here is telling me that we're still looking pretty good in our prediction. Here it is on the 3. Okay, this is the last printed 3-day price bar in SMCI. I would say the last 2 3-day price bars definitely signify sellers selling stock in the SMCI. Here it is on the 4. 8 hours and 55 minutes left on this current 4-day bar. Let me know. Does that look bullish to you? Or does it still look weak? Here it is on the 5. SMC. I don't really want you guys to miss out on this 5-day bar. Right, so we're 3 bars into this 5-day bar being printed, and we're still seeing that there's some hints of sellers still in the market. Like, don't get complacent and think that the bottom is in SMCI considering this 5-day bar right there. Here it is on the weekly. Here's SMCI on the 2. Just like on the 5-day chart, look at this on the 2 weeks. Don't forget that. Here's SMCI on the 3. Don't forget this 3 weekly price bar neither. We're starting out on the new one right there. And it still shows us that the weakness in the market is still there in SMCI. Okay. So yeah, especially on the 5 weeks. It definitely looks weak on the 5. So yeah, I think we're done. We're going to go ahead and anticipate with keeping our prediction the same. Let me extend this up a little bit. And we're going to look forward to SMCI to continue to go lower. You had to go and look at my prior video for the targets that we mentioned. Preferably, it probably was one of these first 2 buy pockets right here. The one around $33, $34. Then this second one around $31, $32. Those will probably be our first 2 targets in SMCI. But yeah, this market is still weak. We're still definitely got the sell on yesterday into the market in SMCI. It broke this area to the downside that should have acted as a buy pocket right there. Initially they did buy. Initially they did buy right here. SMCI, those buyers who bought here on the 13th of March, they came and bought again, but as you can tell, they weren't successful at keeping the price up. So again, that's why we're still leaning more towards SMCI going down. So I'm done. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.